Hey again, Divas. It's Nicole Twyman, Coach Twy here with Fit, Fine, and Fabulous, and we're moving into more of Orientation Week. I love this quote. I guess I do. I created it, but it basically says you can't think or wish your way out of a body that you behaved yourself into. You have got to change your habits, or you're just going to stay the same. So you're thinking about your body and hating your body and thinking about how you can't fit your clothes and thinking about how you don't like what you see in the mirror and wishing it was different is not going to change a thing. The only way that you're going to move from where you are today to where you want to be is to change what you do every day. And those are the small habits. And in this challenge, we hope to help you incorporate new habits into your life. The focus is not on food as much as it is on creating a habit. So we don't want to focus so much on missing a meal or missing a workout that we quit. We want to focus on, do I have better habits today than I did yesterday? That is the new mindset we want to develop as we continue to work through this challenge. And I hope that you are joining me as I am also reshaping my own mindset once again. So as we continue to move on, we talk a lot about vision. It's vision and meal prep challenge. And I've provided you guys with 3 steps to building a wellness vision. And those steps are the beginning of our journey together. And on page 1, I want you to read that. I want you to read it and just digest the information about how you can approach yourself and your life as a business. Many businesses, all successful businesses actually have a vision statement. They have a mission statement. They have goals. They have objectives. They have the same thing for each department and each team. Same thing for universities and academia. Same thing for the government. In order for you to be successful in this thing for life, for long term, you need a vision for where you're going. And so we are working with you to help you develop your own health and wellness vision. That's our goal with this exercise. So it's 3 key steps, and I won't bore you with reading through them here, but write it. It's the first one. You want to write it out, and then you want to see it, visualize it. And then, as always, we want to continue to refine and to tweak. None of this is static. It's all dynamic. It's all fluid. It's always changing. As your jobs change, your kids change, your schedule change, your body changes, you need to be able to adapt to your own environment and not let it adapt to you. We oftentimes do that in other areas of our lives. We're able to easily adapt to the weather. We grab a coat. We easily adapt to the kids getting bigger. We buy them a larger size clothes. We easily adapt to things that we focus on and that we can see. However, when it comes to our health and when it comes to food, we wait until we're on pills, and we wait until our pressure is so high, until we get a stroke, or until we have diabetes, or until we're falling apart before we put focus on that. Let's flip that around, and we're going to make 2020 our year of wellness vision. And we are going to be intentional about snatching back our health and keeping ourselves healthy, not just becoming healthy by losing weight for this period of time, but we are definitely working towards the goal of becoming healthy for life, not just for this period of time. So that's why we talk a lot about the Fit, Fine, Fab life. It is a lifestyle. It's not just what you're doing for this 30 days. We're hoping to set you up so that you would be able to implement this continuously for the rest of your life in some degree. Doesn't have to be as structured as we're about to do, But the education that you're going to receive, we're prayerful that you can use it to continue to build your wellness vision as you move through this challenge and after it. So the Diva assignment for this is to create a link between your desired health behaviors. What is it that you really want to do to achieve the health that you are looking for? And by doing that, we are asking you to write your I will statements on the next page, and then create a visual reminder of your wellness vision. So the assignment is to read page 1, read page 2, and complete page 3. And that is where we will stop. We will complete a commitment contract. We are committing ourselves to this challenge. We are committing ourselves for the next 30 days. She began to live the fit, fine, and fabulous life she always dreamed of. So she promised God the following about the next 30 days. You're promising not just me, not just your partner, not just this group, not just yourself, but we are going to lean on Him who is able to keep us from falling, from failing. God. So we're going to focus on that. So I will commit to focusing more on health and wellness with God as my help. I will make healthier food and exercising my mind, my body, and my spirit a priority in my life with God as my help. I will give up, me personally, I'm giving up snacks and I'm giving up fast food to make this a commitment, a reality in my life daily with God as my help. I have decided to make this commitment because it is time. It is absolutely time for me to stop gaining the weight. I personally gained it so that I can show others it can be easily taken off by just focused habits. But I've made this commitment also because I want to live a healthy life. I want to live a fit, fine, and fabulous life. And I am going to use, and I say here to write a specific person after you've asked them. I've already asked my family, so I will use Jay, Amari, and Artis for support and accountability. I'm going to also use my partner in my challenge is Ebony Kennedy. I will use Ebony for support and accountability as I work towards my habit for good. If I feel myself like I'm giving up or quitting, I'm going to reach out to Ebony. I'm going to reach out to those of you who are in the group. I'm going to say something. I'm not going to just pretend I'm no longer in a challenge and turn my back and be like, oh, I messed up, I ate bad, so I'm not going to report it. I'm not going to say anything. Don't be her. Don't be the girl who only shows up when you have good news. You need us when you're doing the worst. That's why we're here, for accountability. So when I feel like I'm giving up, I'm going to ask for help. It's really hard for us, but that's what we must do. We must ask for help. This month is going to be different because I said so. It's going to be different because I am going to evoke and put forth all of the energies that I have outside of God and my family towards this. I'm going to focus with everything I have on this. This is my commitment to myself with God as my help. I am ready to make this commitment to myself for my spiritual, physical, and mental health. I can and I will, and that's just the end of it, Diva.